Hi everyone, welcome to the first video on this channel. Today we're checking out the Electrocookie mini PC case for the Raspberry Pi 5. As you can see, it's pretty stylish and I really like this case. Got this case off Amazon for $19.99. I paid for it myself. I just like the sleek, compact design of this case. Allows you to put a top-mounted NVMe in it, and you can access easily-ish if you've got nails. You can access the GPIO and the NVMe quite easily by just flipping the lid case. The case can be mounted either horizontally or vertically, and it ships with rubber feet, so you can stick them either on the bottom or on the side. I have mine bottom mounted like that. One feature I love is this tinted door. I think it really shows it off. And it looks really nice, and you can just see the internal RGB lighting on the fan. The case does actually even come with that fan and the heatsink, and it plugs into the Raspberry Pi board for PWM fan control. There's just a closer look inside. GPIO, heatsink, fans. I've got a Pine Board Nano running my SSD there. Probably only see it'll fit. It won't fit the big SSDs. As you can see, it also ships with these two power buttons on the side, so you can reset, turn the Raspberry Pi 5 on quite easily. It's quite a modular design, ports on the back. I've cut out the hole there on the back panel to get the into the GPIO. And this is how I use mine. I've got a PIR sensor sat on top, which I think looks pretty cool. I think I mentioned earlier on in this video, it retails for $19.99, this case, which I think is an absolute steal for the design. I believe you can get another version of the case from Electrocookie, and it actually comes with an NVMe hat. I think that's about £33 on Amazon. Again, another look inside. Dead easy to access. So would I buy this case again? Definitely. If I got another Raspberry Pi 5, I would use another one of these cases. I just love its design and simple desktop looking PC case. And here's it all plugged in and PWM fan running. You can see it should change colour in a minute. Yeah, there you go, it changes colour and stops as well. So what do you think of the Electrocookie mini PC case? Let me know in the comments, and if you've enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.